welcome to the channel. We have decided we're going to try and do a little bit of more live streaming for what we're building so you can see how we're actually using the tools that we're playing with and how we're building Lynda AI. I've just been actually working on a new feature, planning out a new feature in using Slack. And so the idea is currently you actually can chat with Lynda through the chat functionality, but we want to be able to actually have that same functionality in Slack, because we want you as the user to have all the power of Lynda in the systems that you're actually in. So this morning we pushed calendar and task management, and so now we're just booting through and looking at some different options with Slack and MCP servers. So some of the cool things that you can look at is you can actually, there's two different ways. You can have Slack as the client versus as the tool. And so as the client, that means that you're going to be actually just using the interface in Slack to communicate with Lynda. And if it's the client, then you're using Lynda to look at channels and summarize things that are happening and doing all that. So this is just a little bit of research side by side on the different ways that we can build this. And it's pretty neat. I think what we're going to do is look at having it so that users are actually using the interface of Slack to manage all the tool calling and functionality of Lynda. And then probably later on we'll build the secondary where you'll have tools that are working in the background that go in and summarize and give information. But again, we don't want to build that unless the people that are using it say they want to see it. So this is the fun side of getting to design and having such powerful tools as ChatGPT and stuff to help you do research and understand how to build these things out. So that's what we're building. I'll take this document here and I'll create our project requirement documents and our technical requirement documents. And we should by tomorrow afternoon have this integration built. So we'll jump back on and I'll show you what we did between now and then. So have fun.